Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 2-26, the front wheel hubcap for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I am G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 2-26, the front wheel hubcap for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. So let's open up template MMGS. Okay, so let's go to right plane, sketch, circle. No, we're not doing bolt. Happy news. Okay, so we want 48. That's going to be 48 millimeters, and that's going to extrude 22 millimeters. Doesn't make any difference. It's going to put mid plane. Okay, so let's do that one. Let's do this one a paint color. Painted car. Sprayed. Really? How's that look? Yeah, it looks good. Okay, looks good. We now got to go this side, either side actually. Sketch. We want circle again. Oh, there's one circle. That's going to be 42 diameter, and that's going to be feature, extrude, cut. That's going to cut into it by 19, and done. You should have a cap like that, not all the way through, but a cap like that. Now we want to go this side, go normal 2, it's just going to make it easier. Sketch, circle. That circle's going to be construction line, and that's going to be 35. Yes, that's going to be 35. Now we want to have 3 circles. Well, one up top, then we actually want circle, 3 circles like a triangle. So that's go circle. Actually, before we do anything, go center line. There we go. Now, you could always do 33, but the problem is with that is circus is not 33 degrees 111, it's 33.3323. And you want exact measurements on this. So let's go circle. Lock it in that one there, because that's going to be locked in. That's going to be 4 mil. 4 mil. Now we want to go circular pattern. We want 3 of them. We want to circle round this, I believe. Sorry, that one. Arc 2, I had the wrong arc. I had the arc select down there. So you want point there. So now 333 is going full 360 degrees. Then you got 3 holes. So this is putting it exactly equal 33.333 recurring. Okay. Now we want feature, extrude, cut, through all, and okay. There you go, that's done. Well, it's done for now, but we still got to do something else. So we want to do fillet. Sorry, fillet. 3. This edge layer, and done. There we go. That is what we need to do. So these holes here have to match. So we're going to find it when we put together. It's got to match part 217, the 3 holes that's in the center there. So that is part 2-26 done. The front wheel hubcap for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So enjoyed the episode. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave comments. Like. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.